Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create Japandi image effects on Higgsfield AI. And so for a fun fact, in Nigeria, this Japa in Japandi is it means when somebody travels abroad or escapes our motherland. So that's just by the way. So the Japandi effects you can actually create. This is what it looks like. So it says it's minimalism with warmth, clean lines, natural light, and a serene sense of balance between form and feeling. And that is actually what this image is giving. And one thing you can notice is that most of them are wearing oversized skirts and a little top. So if you want to create something similar to this, you can actually just go to Higgsfield AI, sign in, and then choose the Higgsfield. So click on the Japandi effect here and see any picture you want to recreate. And let's say as we want to recreate this, I'll just have to click on it, and then I get to see the image prompt here. Then click on recreate. So once I've done that, you can actually change the aspect ratio from here, or choose the image quality here. You can make it into basic or high, then click on generate. The high uses 2 credits to generate an image for you, while the basic uses a single credit to generate an image for you. So you can actually maximize this to your use, because Higgsfield AI gives you about 5 credits per day for generation, which means you can actually generate up to 5 images. And yeah, so that's it guys. So once you're done with your generation, your image would appear here, where you can actually animate it into a video or add speech to it here, and proceed to download it into your system. So let me know if you guys have any other question in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel as we are actually trying to grow. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys, and don't forget to drink water.